Stylish, simple, strong. The all-new 1 Series round balers from Case IH bring a new level of productivity, reliability, and durability to the basic variable chamber round baler. Most operators will first recognize the 1 Series by their new model numbers. The RS451, RS551, and RS561. But once they've worked with them and seen the tight, high-quality bales that the 1 Series round balers produce, they'll recognize them for the value that they bring to their operation and as a line of machines ideally sized to fit nearly any need. From the outside, the 1 Series makes a great first impression with a sleek, stylish exterior that's all business. Side door access is simple and convenient, with large, easy-to-open doors that latch in full open position to make servicing a snap. Access to all drives and tension arms are on the left-hand side, viewed from the back, and twine storage and access are on the right. A clevis hitch that adjusts quickly to meet tractor drawbar height and a shorter turning T-tongue design that allows exceptional visibility of the pickup area make the 1 Series balers easy to operate and a lot less wearing on the operator. Hazard lights are standard on all 1 Series round balers to facilitate roading. Sure, the RS451, 551, and 561 all look great, but how do they perform? You just have to try them to believe them. The 1 Series has been designed from the ground up to provide bales of superior weight and appearance and to be ideal for the operator who wants a value-priced basic controlled round baler. It all starts with the pickup assembly. The 1 Series features the widest standard pickup in the industry. This added width is more than enough to handle even the widest windrows without leaving crop in the field. The RS451 comes with a field-proven heavy-duty pickup, while the RS551 and 561 feature the Case IH Premium Duty Dual Cam Track pickup as a standard factory-installed feature to handle higher capacity with ease. These rugged, wide pickups were designed to take the stresses that rough ground and crop conditions can dish out, and because they're standard factory-installed items, they don't carry an additional cost. Thanks to its forward mounting, every 1 Series pickup provides excellent operator visibility, and the added width eliminates the need for expensive and sometimes troublesome gathering wheels. Because the pickup is a full 15 inches wider tine to tine than the bale chamber, the edges of the bale can be more easily and completely filled for a solid square-shouldered bale every time. The stuffer behind the pickup allows for consistent crop feeding and is designed to handle the higher capacities the extra wide pickup sends its way, even in the toughest crops. The wind guard is designed with a solid front bar and pivots from the rear to keep the windrow moving consistently into the bale chamber even on the windiest days. Its construction allows more uniform feeding capacity regardless of the crop or field conditions. Standard heavy-duty Case IH gauge wheels protect the pickup from rough terrain. These wheels are mounted away from the pickup to prevent crop pinching. To make roading easier, a hydraulic pickup lift is available. The 1 Series variable bale chambers provide a tight, solid bale core, with finished bales from 30 inches to 60 inches in diameter from the RS451 and RS551, and 36 to 74 inches on the RS561. 7-inch chevron belts with thumper strip trash cleanout bars on their underside provide a continuous positive grip on the bales as they form. Tightened lacings on the belts provide longer life and significantly less required repair, while thumper strips minimize material buildup on the rolls. At the heart of the bale chamber is an aggressive starter roll with patented replaceable flaps that provide consistent bale starting. The bale chamber is designed to place about 60% of the finished bale in the tailgate area. This split allows gravity to assist in its ejection from the chamber. A deluxe heavy-duty clutch system has been added to every 1 Series baler. This clutch deactivates the entire baler during the bale ejection process, which keeps the belts in tight contact with the rolls at all time, eliminating belts crossing or flipping over as the bale is ejected. Because this unit also serves as a slip clutch, it eliminates the need for a separate clutch on the PTO shaft. 1 Series round balers feature gauges and valves to fine-tune bale density. Gauges located on the front of the baler provide an on-the-go monitoring of the hydraulic cylinders that control bale density and belt tension. A new tensioning system also aids belt tracking and reduces the density and tension arm windup by 50%. This tensioner provides more consistent bales and minimizes additional stress and wear on belts. In addition, this advanced system simplifies the baler mechanism, which means more reliability in even the toughest conditions. When it comes time to secure the bale, the 1 Series balers excel too. A proven dual twine arm actuation system provides a secure wrap for finished bales and more peace of mind for the operator. A new twine cutoff system activates mechanical linkage that works just like scissors to close the knives and slice the twine cleanly every time. Over the course of a long day, that kind of efficiency means a lot to any operator. The operator can easily adjust twine arm spacing and twine placement from the end of the bale to meet specific needs. Redesigned mechanisms on the right side of the balers provide storage for up to 8 balls of twine, and the dual twine arms ensure a fast tying cycle. Additional wraps can be added at the operator's discretion. The result? More productivity and more efficiency throughout those long days in the field. Exactly what every baling operation needs. For operators who prefer the advantages of mesh wrap, an advanced system is available on all 3 1 Series models. A system that is so forward-thinking that it can accept mesh wrap up to 6 inches wider than the bale chamber in order to apply mesh up to the edges of the bale. The mesh wrap option can provide up to 4 additional bales per hour or 40 in a 10-hour day with reduced leaf loss and spoilage. The RS451 uses the optional 31 by 13.5 by 15 tires with mesh, while the RS551 and RS561 require the larger 14L by 16 optional tires. These larger tires are also available without the mesh wrap option for operators who need superior flotation or a softer ride. Thanks to their redesigned basic monitoring system, the RS451, RS551, and RS561 allow the operator greater flexibility and control in the baling process. When the baler reaches full bale status, the operator can choose to finish the bale at that point or to continue to finish out a windrow before tying off, unlike many competitive models which automatically begin the tying cycle without operator input. The monitor box helps to guide the operator, directing to drive forward, drive left or right in order to fill chamber sides, and includes full bale alert, kicker on or off, and monitor on or off indicators as well. Easy to understand, easy to use. A Case IH tradition that makes your days in the field as productive as they can be. An oversized bale protection linkage is standard on the 1 Series too. If the operator should fail to notice that a full bale has been formed and continues to place crop in the chamber, the oversized bale mechanism will disengage the pickup and stuffer to prevent damage. To provide an even more direct indication of bale progress, Case IH offers the most positive bale shape monitor in the industry. This shape sensor actually rides directly on the belts that contact the top front of the bale as it's formed. By following the light indicators, the operator can maneuver left or right to fill out consistent square-shouldered bales. For those who desire an even greater degree of operating ease, an optional hydraulic bale kicker moves the bale away from the tailgate before it closes. If a bale gets trapped inside the kicker, The operator needs only to drive forward and the kicker will move over the finished bale. When you compare the 1 Series kicker to the non-hydraulic versions that the competition offers, you'll really appreciate its convenience and productivity. As many operations strive for additional productivity, the use of buffered propionic acid has dramatically increased. This has allowed operators to bale at moisture levels up to 30%, a critical plus if approaching bad weather threatens hay and windrows. With this in mind, Case IH has developed the first fully enclosed preservative tank system, optional on all 1 Series balers. This design solution eliminates the need for a tank to be attached to the tongue and means better visibility to the baler and a better overall baler appearance. The RS 451, 551, and 561. 3 excellent examples of Case IH forward thinking. 3 reliable round balers designed to meet the needs of almost any operation. Simple? The 1 Series has been designed for years of trouble-free operation. Stylish? Its functional design is not only attractive, but logically laid out and easy to access for maintenance or twine replacement. Strong? The durable RS 451, RS 551, and RS 561 variable chamber round balers were designed from the ground up to be rugged and dependable, ready to tackle the toughest crops and roughest terrain. If your idea of a beautiful view is a field full of solid, square-shouldered bales, you'll really appreciate the 1 Series. Dependability, value, and productivity. These are the hallmarks of great machines, like the 1 Series variable chamber round balers.